Yes, people are going, welcome back to the channel. So today we just pick up a few items, few essential items for the hurricane victims back in Jamaica. So today we're at Dollar Tree and we're gonna check out some other stores. We're gonna pick up some sanitary wipes, body wash, soap, and a few other things. So just watch the video and see what I go on.
Yeah.
That's a tree already, right?
Yeah.
A 9 and that's a 10.
Okay.
Alright. Let me get 10. I'm gonna get 10 body wash.
You want 10 body wash?
Yeah,
Okay.
and that's it. Then we're gonna go to the next store after this. Are these scented?
Mm?
These are that's lavender, right? So that means they're scented, yeah.
Yeah, but these ones are unscented.
So
And there's 16 in the pack.
alright, so get what, 10 more? Or what?
Yeah, because these are different from the bath wipes.
Oh, okay.
These are
For wipe.
feminine wipes.
Wipe them arm and everything there on their front.
Yeah,
10 more feminine wipes.
not 10 more, 10.
10 total, basically. You know? Yeah, so these are just some sanitary items, guys. That's what? 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Need one more. Alright. So that's 10. And guys, this is just a start. We're doing this out of our own pocket, with one money, without any donation so far.
Yeah.
And if you like what you see, guys, and you want to donate to the cause, to rebuilding, Jamaica and the whole relief fund, go ahead and click the link in the description, and you can make any donation you want. All right?
This is $1.25.
Yeah, that's not bad.
So,
And this one is big. Oh, that one, not $5 no. That one is $5. So you have to look at the price.
so I wanted to focus on getting like
Hygiene stuff.
hygiene stuff and stuff to
Yeah.
help with like bacterial infections and outbreaks. If they have hygiene under control despite not having running water,
Yeah.
they could
Wipe up a little bit and clean up themselves. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we are focused today mainly on the hygiene stuff, hygiene item, essential items. Toothpaste, toothbrush, wipes, stuff like that. We're gonna get tissue, bottled water, and them something there eventually, but it might be later on today. I'm not sure, but we're gonna be doing that eventually before we do the first shipment. Yeah, but for now we're gonna focus on essential items only, and then work our way down the line, down the list, because there's a whole bunch, a long list of different things that we have to get. So just continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So this is it right now, guys. We're gonna head to a few other stores, and then we'll let you see exactly what's going on. All right, so we'll get some rugs, towel, hand towel. I can use it to beard on him, something. Like
Washcloths, not hand towels.
Yeah, same thing. So how much did I forget? 5?
Yeah, or 6.
Okay, 5 or 6. So 4, 5, 6, and an 18 pack, guys. So do the maths. 6 times 18, and you get the total. Yeah. So we're just gonna get some other things same way while we're at the store. Whatever we see on the way while we're shop, then we just pick it up if it makes sense, and if it don't make no sense, we'll just leave it until next time. Yeah, so just continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere. soap, some bar soap, 12 pack, and then we'll deconstruct it and, you know, pack the bags them individually. So we'll get both 9.
Yeah, some of the green ones at the bottom. So
we already have.
So one more blue.
One more blue.
Yeah.
We have how much in
And
that
that's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, so we have towel, washcloth, bar soaps, and we might get one more item. Might not be in this store, but we'll see what happens.
Oh, okay.
Yes, people. So that I go on for today. We're gonna call it a pause for now, and then maybe tomorrow or later on tonight, you know, we go to Walmart or somewhere else and get some more stuff. And like I said, today we're just focusing on the sanitary part of the whole shipping. When it gets closer to us shipping off the supplies, then we'll get like more food items and stuff like that, like grocery items. But for now, we're gonna focus on the other stuff. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching the video. Peace.